Hello everyone, this video I have create tutorial how to create video AI in App Grock AI. First, open the Grock AI app. And use the Imagine feature to search for a picture or photo. Second, after finding the image, generate it. When it's done, check out the result. Third, use a prompt to turn text and an image into a video. When it's done, check out the result. Cool, right? The video looks awesome. That's it for today's video, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, don't forget to like and subscribe. Alright, that's a wrap. See you in the next one.